Welcome to this free flow, a blend of EFT tapping plus Qigong to cultivate resilience and courage to create the life of your dreams. We'll begin by tapping on acupressure points to calm the nervous system and to rewire the subconscious mind. Let's begin on the inner eye. Simply tap where I tap and repeat after me. I am a powerful creator. Outer eye. Everything I envision is already on its way to me. Under eye, I release any doubt and embrace certainty. Upper lip, knowing that I am resilient and strong. Chin, and I am in control of my life. Collarbone, I rise above every challenge. Side of the body, knowing I have the power to shape my own destiny. Top of the head, no matter the obstacles, I remain grounded in my strength and ability to overcome. And squeezing the wrist about 3 finger widths down, taking a deep breath in through the nose and a slow exhale out through the mouth. Arms out by your side, rotating wrist arms in, pushing your palms up and back so you get a nice stretch through the arm, tilting your head to one side, lifting up and slowly lifting down. Just a gentle nod. You can inhale as you come up and exhale as you come down, feeling that stretch through your fingertips all the way up through the side of the neck. Bringing your head across center to the other side and continuing with the gentle nods, feeling the stretch within the opposite arm and neck. Just opening up everything. We want our energy channels open in order to make change. So getting a nice stretch to open everything up. Bringing your arms up, hands by your ears. You're going to curl forward and pull back, opening up the shoulders, the neck, the spine. So as you can see from the side, your tailbone pushes in and then it tilts back. So getting that full range of motion within the spine as you open up the chest. Pairing this movement with your breath, inhaling as you open, exhaling as you curl forward. And one more time, curling forward, opening up, and coming back to center as your arms float down. And placing your hands on your lower belly, we're going to do spinal waves. Coming back like you're almost sitting in a chair and then tilting your pelvic bone forward and rolling up from there. So as you can see from the side, sitting down, rolling your pelvic bone forward and allowing that wave to ripple through the top of your head. So you can imagine your spine just like a snake slithering through the grass. Once you get into that rhythm, just focusing on a point, allowing yourself to breathe naturally and awakening up your spine. Just a few more. Rolling through the spine. and coming back to center. Now we're going to begin some dragon Qigong, some of my favorite, placing your hands in a prayer pose. We're just going to warm ourselves up, bringing your feet together, pushing your hands to the side. As you do so, your face and your hips turn in the opposite direction. It's going back and forth, whichever side your hands push, your face and your hips push the opposite direction. Keeping your feet flat on the ground, so really feeling that stretch within the side of the leg, through the side of the body, even in the neck. And getting into a rhythm with it. Allowing it to become more fluid as you go from side to side. Allowing your breath to be natural, normal here, but remembering to breathe. The dragon is closely associated with the wood element. When the wood element is in balance, you feel highly motivated, ambitious, very confident. You are someone that can bring your ideas to fruition, therefore creating your own reality. And one more time on each side. And coming back to center. Now focusing on the top of your head is going to really lead this move. So as your head goes from side to side, your body is going to follow. Again, very fluid movements, almost like a snake slithering in the grass, or cultivating your inner dragon, leading with your head and allowing your body to follow. Keeping the feet nice and rooted. We're going to start to work our hands up and allowing our hands to really lead the movement. Where the hands go, the body follows. Have fun with it. Allow your hands to lead. Feel the strength and resilience within your body, just as you're calling it to your mind. And allow the hands to come down, back to chest height. And continue a little swimming here. Again, that dragon swimming through the water, strong and confident and courageous. And coming back to center. Taking a pause here for a breath. Pushing your hands up and allowing the arms to float down. You can step out a bit wider. Again, meeting the hands in prayer pose as you push up. And exhale as they fall down. Again, going with your breath. One last time, pushing up and exhaling as they fall down. Placing your hands on your lower belly, feeling strong and grounded into the earth, strong, resilient. And taking one more breath in and out. And we'll begin with our final round of tapping. Inner eye, I take full responsibility for my life. Outer eye, and create the reality I desire with confidence. Under eye, I have the strength to turn any situation. Upper lip into a stepping stone towards my goals. Chin, I rise above every challenge. Collarbone, knowing I have the power to shape my own destiny. Side of the body, I am the creator of my own reality. Top of the head, and I build my reality with strength, resilience, and courage. Again, squeezing the wrist, taking that deep breath in, just sealing everything in. and exhaling anything that no longer serves you. I hope you enjoyed this practice. As always, let me know in the comments, and I'll be back again soon. Before we begin, if you enjoy my channel and want to dive deeper, please check out my Mindfully Me membership and app, where you get access to exclusive weekly videos, workshops, 5-minute power tapping, subliminals, and so much more, all designed to help you release heavy emotions, shift your limiting beliefs, and allow you to step into a more powerful and abundant version of yourself. Now offering a 7-day free risk trial, so take a peek inside, and I hope you enjoy.